Happy Tom Ford Tuesday, where Tuesdays I dedicate to Tom Ford beauty. So I'm going to create a look today using Bestsellers from Sephora, especially with the sale coming up, literally around the corner. So I'm going to use these products, the Bestsellers from Sephora, to create our look. And I noticed something. For whatever reason, there are no foundations available at Sephora. There's concealer, there's primer, there's pretty much everything else but a foundation. But that's okay. Because I love this, because I a lot of times use just concealer as base solely. So we're going to be doing that today. We're going to keep it nice and simple, and it's not a lot of product. So let's get into it, shall we? Let's hydrate and begin. This is going to be a nice, easy, wearable makeup look, because when it comes to Tom Ford, you're always going to get that sophistication, that I want to reach for you and use you because you work, because your colors are so practical. But yeah, that's where I'm headed today. All right, so for base, we're going to be using concealer only. This is kind of like a signature for me. This is something I do all the time in my regular go-to kind of days. A lot of times I just go with concealer for my base. This is the Traceless Soft Matte Concealer. I have it in the shade 5WO Tan. So I'm going to focus this where I need it, and then we'll blend it, and the coverage will build need be. So I'm going to go ahead and warm this up so it's nice and creamy. And then I'm going to take my brush, and I'm going to start around the nose where there's like just a little bit of redness. I'm using this dual-ended brush where one side I can apply the product, stipple it in, build it up, and then on the other end it's fluffy, so I can kind of buff and shear it outwards. So it's a nice smooth blend. Nice. Now the reason I go in and warm this up first rather than just striping it on my face is I don't want to tug on my face, and I find that this way I can still control how much product I apply. So I'm just going to be going back and forth and building like that. I'm going to go right over my little freckles and sunspots and imperfections, and then buff and just blend so everything is smooth. And yes, this is matte, but it's the Tom Ford matte, so it's not flat and dull. You're getting coverage where you need it, and it wears really, really nicely, and it's not heavy at all, and it's very skin-like. And as you can see, I'm going in with quite light layers, so it's going to remain very skin throughout the day. Take my finger. And then I'm going to go with the fluffy end to really blend this nice. Keep it sheer, light, and comfortable. I'll take whatever's left and put it on the lid, and we'll use that for our eye primer. So everything is still skin, but I've got a little touch of coverage. Very easy. We love that. These are my favorite type of makeup days, where it's just a little, but it has the impact that I'm looking for. Now for my Sculpt and Dimensional moment, I'm going to go in with my shade in Illuminate Contour Duo. This is just one of those products that literally blends itself. It's very natural. It's never harsh. So I go in with placement first. This is my Tom Ford No. 4 brush. This is a great brush, great tool. This is a product that adds dimension without it looking contour obvious. You know what I mean? How pretty that is on the skin. Now for blush, we're going to get a little bit creative, because I don't know why. I can't tell you why they don't have the new blushes on the Sephora website. But we're going to get creative. And I've shared this with you in other Tom Ford Tuesdays, but I'm actually going to take a lipstick and use it for blush. In particular, the lipstick from the Fabulous line. This is in the shade Rose. She's very well loved. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to apply it to my hand like so, and then pick it up with a brush, kind of diffuse it a bit before I apply. I've used this as my blush before, and it has great staying power, and it looks really pretty. It's soft, it's easy, and the finish is really nice too. So think of this as like a cream blush. And look how nice and easy that just melted into the skin. And for highlight, I'm gonna go back into my contour duo. Place this right on the high point. So pretty. Skin is giving skin. Super easy, very light and comfortable. And you see how fast that was? All right, let's do a little something on the eyes. We're gonna go in with Evening Attire. I'm placing this shade all over the lid with a fluffy brush. We'll start with this for the base. Very refined tones, very easy to wear, super polished. It's a beautiful, beautiful eye color quad. And this kind of palette you can reach for without overthinking. And now into this shade, same fluffy brush, and I'm going to just fluff this all over the lid. In with my finger with this shade, and we're going to place this right on the center. Just for a little extra, but not too much. And that's what I like about this palette. And then in with the shade ever so slightly, right on the inner corner. Not too much. I'm going to go in with Cocoa. Well, it's sharpened cocoa. I'm going to put on mascara. This is not included. Going in with a little bit of Love's Attention to add a little definition to the lips. Now with our lipstick that we used for blush, we're going to apply that. This shade and this formula, it's very comfortable, very wearable, and it just ties the whole look together. And to top it all off, I'm going to go in with Gloss Luxe in Aura. This formula just gives that full polished finish without being heavy or sticky. And I never feel like my look is complete without fragrance. So we're going to go in with Soleil Blanc. This just feels like warm, sunlit skin. I have it in the travel size, by the way. Very luxe, very effortless. This is really nice. And that's the finished look using the Tom Ford Bestsellers from Sephora. See, I told you, this was a quick and easy, very everyday. And we did not use nor need a lot of products. This is exactly what I expect from Tom Ford. Everything feels refined, very easy to work with, multifunctional, using lipstick as blush, very polished skin, and nothing feels overdone. I still feel like me, but elevated. If you're shopping the Sephora sale and you've been curious about Tom Ford, hopefully this gives you a better idea of how the products come together in a real, everyday way. I always love hearing from you, so let me know what Tom Ford products are on your wish list. Happy Tom Ford Tuesday, everyone. If you've enjoyed today's video, please take a moment and give it a thumbs up and subscribe if you haven't. Stay beautiful, guys. I'll see you very, very soon.